Well, as you guys can see, there's no fuse box here, which is not a super good sign. I don't know if I mentioned that in a previous video, but I did open up the seat before and noticed that there was no fuse box on top of the airbox. And in fact, there's no fuses anywhere on this bike that I can see. So that pretty much means I'm gonna end up going through the whole electrical system, maybe replacing a lot of this wiring. I'm not sure. I'm seeing like a lot of crimp connectors and things of that nature. So not looking good from the electrical angle, but everything does work on the bike right now, except for maybe the diagnostic system. So yeah, we'll just kind of keep disassembling here. All right, so it looks like to take this battery box off, we're gonna have to take the this whole air box apart and just kind of get rid of it because it's got to come out the inside, not out this way. So we'll get started on that, and then remove these seat hinges. The pins just pull out, so pretty simple. Yeah. Cool. Ooh, that's actually part of the airbox, isn't it? Okay. So we gotta take the car boots off then to get at that. And this probably has to come out afterwards. Woo! Look at that. Mmm. Yummy. Right, so I got the motor braced on the oil pan right now with this piece of plywood. I've only got one more bolt to remove before the engine should break free of its mount. So, but I think I would need to support it on this before it breaks free. And I still need to see if there's more on the back. I'm gonna reread the instructions in a second and see if we can get it out of here. All right, all 6 of the front mounting bolts are off. The book says there's an additional 2 that go through the footrests, which is right here. These large ones, I think it's this one right here. And yeah, it looks like it bolts into the engine right at the back there. So we got to remove those 2, and then at that point we should be able to get the engine taken out of here. I think I'm gonna try and run a strap like here and maybe here, and then put like a 2x4 over it or something. I don't really have like a cherry picker, so we'll see how that goes. Is it free? No. I think it's free. I was wrong, I didn't quite get them all. Pretty big, but there's a nut on the inside too. It's like down underneath the bike on each one of these.
All right, the bike is fully disassembled. I just finished taking the front fork off and the shocks, and it looks like this suspension section here doesn't really come off. There's actually like welds around the retaining nut on both sides. You can't really see right here, but there's welds on the end cap, so I don't think that's meant to come off. I could be wrong though, because I see a little Allen key hex thread inside this that I didn't notice before, so I might try to see if I can back that out, but I don't have the manual with me, so I'm reluctant to try that today. There are like all these little like rubber grommets and stuff that are on here that are cracked that I just need to show so I can remember where they go exactly. This one's got like a little hex crown on it. And other than that, I think I got all of the rubber stuff off of the frame. You flip this over here. One thing that was interesting was I noticed when I got the weight off of the bike and started moving the handlebars around, it would like kind of like just go like this. It would be like chunk chunk chunk, like it didn't move fluidly. And where did I see that damage? There was significant pitting and like metal chunks and stuff like that missing out of like the opposite of man, where was it? There's like a part where the bearings sit in here. It might be down here. Nope. There's another part here that cups the bearings on both sides, and on one of them it was like really badly pitted, so I think the ball bearings and these races might need to be replaced. You could probably just knock them out, I'm guessing, but have to consult the manual for that. So, but yeah, it's pretty much apart. I just got to get it cleaned up and see if I can get this off to the powder coater before it starts getting cold. So, but yeah, disassembly's done.